Herbs you can grow indoors in water all year long. Hydroponics is the method of growing plants indoors in water, without soil. This method is used in many larger greenhouses in their large-scale operations. However, you can use it at your home to get fresh herbs rich in nutrients, color, and flavor. Interested in how this works? Follow these steps. 1. It is up to you which herb you will choose. It should be 6 inches in length. Remove all the leaves from the bottom 4 inches. When left in water for an extended length of time, lower leaves can rot. However, you can also use grocery store herbs. Cut off the bottom of the stem and let it properly absorb water. 2. Fill a glass or largemouth jar with tap water or rainwater. Make sure not to use distilled water because it does not have the beneficial minerals essential for your herbs. Also, it is very important to use a large enough container. 3. Don't forget to change the water once a week until the roots begin to grow. Then, stop doing that. 4. It is recommended to place the glass or jar in an area exposed to sunlight, such as window ledge. 5. Once your leaves reach full size, clip the leaf for use. However, make sure to leave the herbs in the water. This will encourage the stem to produce more leaves at the top. What herbs are the easiest to grow indoors? Keep in mind that there are some plants that will take to it better than others. Check out these 10 herbs for your garden. Peppermint, thyme, lemon balm, tarragon, rosemary, basil, spearmint, oregano, sage, stevia. Use these fresh herbs from your own indoor herb garden to spice up your favorite meals.